In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Monday.com. Importing data seamlessly is crucial for maintaining productivity and organization, especially when transitioning into a new platform like Monday.com. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure your import goes off without a hitch. First, direct your attention to the left panel of your Monday.com interface. Here, you'll notice a plus icon situated next to the current workspace name. Go ahead and click on this plus icon. Doing so will open a drop-down menu that offers a variety of options for enhancing your workspace. Among them, you'll find an option labeled Import Data. Select this option to proceed. Upon selecting Import Data, you'll be presented with several sources you can import from. Monday.com offers a versatile range of options to cater to your specific needs. You can choose to import from CSV or Excel files, which are common formats for transferring data. Additionally, you have the option to bring in data from Google Sheets, Asana, Trello, Basecamp, Meta Ads, Zendesk, or Jira. Each of these platforms has its dedicated import method within Monday.com, ensuring that your data is transferred accurately and efficiently. Once you've identified the source from which you wish to import data, click on the corresponding option. Depending on your choice, you'll be prompted to either upload a file or connect Monday.com directly to the service. For file uploads, ensure you have your file handy on your computer. If you're connecting to a service, you'll need to authorize Monday.com to access your data. This might involve logging into the service and granting necessary permissions. It's important to note that each of these import choices will require some prior setup. This setup ensures that the data you import is both relevant and accurate for your needs within Monday.com. Whether it's structuring your CSV file correctly or setting up integration permissions with an external service, taking the time to prepare will smooth out the import process significantly. As you work through the given instructions for each import option, rest assured that Monday.com is designed to guide you through the steps clearly. Simply follow the prompts provided by the platform to ensure that your data is imported correctly. Usually you'll find helpful tooltips and guidance notes along the way that make the process straightforward. Once you've completed the setup and the data has been successfully imported, you'll find it seamlessly integrated into your current workspace. Congratulations! You've just learned how to import data into Monday.com, enabling you to harness the full power of this versatile platform for all your collaborative projects. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!